Hello my dear friends, today I came back with a new recipe. This is most requested video. So today I am going to show you how to make fondant icing. Let me show you what are the ingredients. Okay guys, we need 400 grams icing sugar, shifted icing sugar, and 1 teaspoonful glycerin, 1 teaspoonful gelatin, this is gelatin, 1 teaspoonful glucose syrup or liquid glucose, both the same, and 2 tablespoons water. Okay, let me show you how to make this. Teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoonful gelatin, 1 teaspoon glucose syrup, 2 tablespoons water, mix this. Now we are going to double boil. One teaspoon glycerin, if you like you can add half teaspoon vanilla. Now mix until make sure gelatin is already melted. Okay, now I'm going to add this to icing sugar. Now I'm going to mix this with my hand. Make sure wash your hands before make this. this is our fondant icing. Okay guys, now I'm going to end this video. This is our fondant icing. If you not use this now, you can cover this and keep this in fridge. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are subscribed still. Next, I'm going to today I'm going to make emoji cake with this fondant icing. You can watch it next video. Make sure to watch my next video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and share with your friends. Okay, let's meet up with another recipe. Bye.